Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. If you are experiencing issues with 5G or LTE not working on your iPhone running iOS 17 and 5G is missing from your device, then we are here with some troubleshooting steps in order to fix this. So let's get started. Firstly, go to the settings app in your iPhone. Then you can see the cellular option available there. Simply tap on the cellular. Now inside cellular, scroll down till you find the option reset statistics. So when you scroll down till the last, you can see the reset option available there. Simply reset it. So after you have reset it completely, now scroll up and find the network selection option available in cellular settings. So you can see network selection option available there. Simply tap on it and toggle it on and off the automatic button there. So after you do this, go back to the settings again. Now in settings, all you have to do is go to the general. In general, scroll down till you find the option transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on it, tap on reset, then tap on reset all network settings. Resetting network settings can sometimes face connectivity issues as well. So keep in mind that this will reset Wi-Fi networks and passwords, cellular settings and VPN settings. So that is it guys. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.